Hello guys, you're welcome to Forex Success. So in this video, I want to show you a very powerful and profiting strategy that can make you a lot of money. Trading just crash and boom. I am very sure of what I'm saying because I've tested it and I've tried it and it's very much profiting. So I'm sharing it with you right now so that you can also enjoy this strategy as well. So look at it. This particular strategy is for crash and boom, all in. Crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500 and boom 1000. The beautiful thing is that this strategy can buy and sell crash and boom. That is to say, the strategy can catch spike. The strategy can also trade against the spike. It is a spike catching strategy, and at the same time, you can use it to trade against the spike. This is the first time I am sharing this kind of strategy. So I will advise you watch this video to the end. Don't skip it because you will definitely miss some points. There are a lot of points on this video. Don't skip any parts. And even if you watch it and you don't understand it, do wait to watch it again. You will surely grab the info on this. So let's get started. First indicator that you'll be adding on this strategy. Okay, let me do this. First indicator you will need on this strategy is the RSI, relative strength index. So relative strength index, you set your period on period 5, apply to close. This time make it 2 pixels. Then for the color, make sure the color is like similar to your screen. If you are using black screen, you can use this color, but if you are using white screen, just use this color that I'm using. Then the levels, you want to select add your levels. So let me just delete these levels for the sake of people who don't understand it. So in order to add levels, I'll click on plus, plus, and plus. Is that good? So first level is 90, second level is 50, and the third is 10, right? Beautiful. So you click on back, then you click done. My relative strength index has been added to my screen. This is it at the bottom of my chart. Relative strength index has been added. So next indicator I will need is the moving average. Moving average should be added on indicator window 1. Don't click on this guy. No, click on this guy, indicator window 1. If I click on indicator window 1, select moving average. The first moving average, period 5, shift 0, method is exponential, apply to close. You can take a screenshot now. Then the star is 2 pixels. Use the color black. Levels, you ignore levels and then you click done. So moving average has been added to my screen. Let's see how the screen look like now. Okay, beautiful. One more indicator, guys. One more indicator to go before you start making money with this simple strategy. Trust me. Next, moving average again. Let's use period 15. Period 15 this time around, and then shift 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Also we're using same 2 pixels, but this time let's change color. Let's use blue. We're using blue this time around for the color. So that's just the indicator we need. Then we'll click done, go back, and then your moving average is on your screen. Beautiful. So now let's work. Okay, let's change this indicate this moving average, the blue. Let's make it 3 pixels. 3 pixels, go back, done. Okay, now it's now without me explaining how you can use this strategy, it will be hard for you to understand. Hold on. Without me explaining to you how to use this strategy, it will be hard for you to understand, but trust me, I will be doing that right now. So now look at this chart. Look at my chart. Let's see. In order for you, like I said before, I said this strategy can help you catch spike. It can also help you trade against the spike. How do I catch spike now with this strategy? Once this strategy gets to the 90 level, 90 level is overbought. From 90 above is overbought. Then from 10 below is oversold level. What happens at overbought level is that the market is ready to sell. What happens at oversold level is that the market is ready to buy. For better understanding, you can, on your relative strength index, at the levels, you can just remind yourself to know that at the 90 level, it is time to sell. Then at the 10 level, it is time to buy. I just add that on the description. So you can also add it so that you can always you won't get confused. So now you can see on my RXI right now, it is indicating that on 10 level it is telling me to buy, and then on 90 level it is telling me to sell, just for simple understanding for you guys. So beautiful. Now this is how you can sell on crash 500 right now. How do you sell? How do you get ready for a spike? Just make sure you can move your screen like this. You can see how I can move my screen. You need to, let's assume the market is currently at this level. You need to wait for this market to just come very close, because as soon as market taps into this this 90 level, which is your sell area, the market will spike. Yes, crash 500, crash 1000, it will spike. So as soon as it gets very close to the line, you should sell from there. Sell and get ready to spike. So if you sell around this point, look at it, just around this point where it got very close to it, you sell here. As soon as it touches it, it spikes, and then you make this money to the downside. You understand? So that is for the sell. We'll look for more examples, and I will show you some tips that will make you to hardly lose using this strategy. Okay, let's first show you how you can buy and how you can sell. So I've shown you how you can sell. How you can sell again once it touches, once the moving average touches or very close, because if you are waiting for a touch, you might miss the spike. So just enter when it's very close to it, and then you catch the spike to the downside. More examples again where price went to tap into it. You keep on seeing examples again. Here you'll be catching spikes like this. Another beautiful example again is this one. As soon as price tapped into it here, and then what did it do? It spiked. Beautiful. Now, how do you buy? How do you buy with this strategy? To buy with this strategy, first condition is that you need to make sure that this price, this candle moving average goes very close, or is at the oversold level, that is around the 10 region, this 10 region, the buy region. And you need to see that the black moving average is now above the blue moving average. Once the black moving average is now above the blue moving average, you can now buy from there. Just like this point, what happened here. The black moving average crossed above the blue moving average, so it's a buy. As soon as you take your buy, you take out your 6 candles. Take out 6 candles and close the trade. Go wait for it to be ready to sell. If you are trading like this, trust me, you can trade more than 20 times in a day using this particular simple strategy. So you can take a buy from there, then you can come here, you wait, you come here, you catch your spike, right? You catch your spike because it touched the buy level, gave you a condition for a sell. So now again, at this point, it gave you condition for a buy. You catch your 6 candles buy. So you're waiting again, price pushed up here, you catch your spike for the sell, right? Beautiful strategy. Again, this point, you catch your spike for the sell. So price came down again here. As soon as black crossed above the blue, you catch your 6 candles from here, you right? You go out of the market. So that's just it. This is for crash 500 index. Now, let me give you the tip I promised. Tip so that you will not lose using this strategy, because we know indicators, they might lag sometimes. I'm going to be very truthful with you guys. Indicators can lag sometimes, but trust me, if you understand this lagging system, you won't fall for it. Let me show you the trick. If you notice, okay, let me do this. Notice, I want you to notice this intersection, guys. Just observe this. Okay, observe this, guys. Look at this intersection here. You see where price tapped into that overbought level there, right? Beautiful. I just want you to put your eyes on it. Then look, as I pushed it to the end of the screen, it was still there. It did not shake. As I push it to the back, to the beginning of the screen, it was still there. It did not shake. So these are the kind of trade you should not miss. Once you see the moving average tap into this point, this overbought level where you are preparing to sell, and you move it to the front, move it to the back, it did not shake, just know that that is a very short trade for you, and don't miss this kind of trade. So if you don't want to, like, you want to avoid falling for fake outs. Fake outs happen everywhere. Indicators give fake outs, same as price action give fake outs. So in order for you not to fall for this kind of fake signal, just be trading only when you see that the moving average tap into the overbought level. You want to sell, you move it to the front, it didn't shake, you move it to the back, it didn't shake, then take that sell, take that trade. Let me show you more examples. This one, beautiful. This one didn't shake, so this one is just here, so you can take this type of trade also. It's beautiful. This is another one. At the beginning here of the screen, it did spike, but at the beginning of the screen it didn't shake. Okay, sorry. At the beginning of the screen, it was just, it tapped into it. But if you pushed it back, look at what it did. So this type of trade actually are the ones that I said they do lag. But there are some that don't lag, like this one. Put your eyes on this one. From the beginning, it was there. Until the end, it was still at the overbought level. So you don't play with this type of signal because they are going to sell. You understand that, guys? So that's just it. That's just how to mark out fake out on them. So this is another beautiful example here. As soon as price crossed above, you enter this trade for a buy. That is black moving average crossed above the blue moving average. You enter it for a buy, and then you enjoy your 6 candles, and then you are out of the market. Many more examples, guys. Look at this. This one did not lag at the overbought level. This is the one I'm talking about here. It is at the oversold level. You push it to the front, it is still at the oversold level. Push it to the back, still at the oversold level. And then what happened? Black moving average crossed above it. You get into your buy, catch your 6 candles, and then you are out, right? So such an amazing strategy, guys. So this is another thing I am saying again. These guys are at the overbought level, but if you push it right here, it's already out of the overbought level. So for me, I won't be interested to take a sell there. Then I saw this one. Let's see whether if I push it, you can see I push it back, I push it front, it is still at the overbought level. So this one is very good to sell. Still very good to sell. Then look at this one. This one is at the overbought level, good to sell. Let's push it forward, still there. Push it backwards, still there. So it's not a lagging one. So this is a good one to sell. Is that good, guys? So that's just this beautiful strategy. I believe you're going to make money from this strategy, always to the glory of God. That's what we're here for. So I have shown you the strategy right now. Should we check it on Boom? Okay, let's check it on Boom 500. Let's see. Still the same system, just very much the same system. There is no difference. Just that for Boom, you're catching your spike to the upside, and then for Crash, you're catching your spike to the downside. Yeah, so now see this example again. Like I was saying, moving average just needs to tap very close. As soon as it's close to the buy region, which is from the 10 oversold level, you look for your buy, and then you catch spike like this, right? This one is not a lagging one. If you push it to the front and back, it is still there. Look at it again. Boom, 500 hardly bring out lagging indicators. Look. Again, at this point, you catch your sweet spike to the upside, right? Just an amazing strategy, guys. Again, here, you catch your sweet spike, guys. You just be making simple money with this strategy. Start grabbing this strategy now before they will find out about it and start manipulating. You need to start enjoying this strategy right now. Look at it again. Tapped here, you shop it to the front, to the upside. Again and again. At this point, tapped here, fire to the upside. Beautiful strategy, guys. Again, here, fire the buy to the upside. You would enjoy this sell. As it touches here, blue now is above the black moving average. You enjoy your 6 candles to the downside. Can't you see that this strategy is very powerful? Again, you enjoy your spike to the upside, right? As soon as it comes here, you enjoy your 6 candles to the downside. Here, you enjoy your spike to the upside. Guys, this is 2023, and I can tell you this is the best indicator strategy right now. Best indicator strategy right now. So do wait to hit that red subscribe button. Don't leave this video without hitting the red subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. So drop me a comment and tell me, I don't know what to say, but just tell me anything you have for me. Yeah, say something on the comment section for me to know that yeah, you are definitely going to make money from this strategy. So just type in anything. Thank you very much for watching this video. Yeah, if you need free signals, you can join our Telegram community. The link is at the description of this video. And do where to, okay, sorry guys, in case you don't know what we are trading, we're trading synthetic indices. yeah, where you can find crash and boom step index and many other synthetic indices. To create an account with them, there is a link at the description of this video. Click on that link to create an account with them. And also, the link is also at the comment section. So just go to the comment section and create an account with Derry so you can start trading. Do well to follow my Instagram and follow us on Facebook also. Amazing strategy always for you guys. Thank you once again for watching. I remain Colin Siva. We're good.